Ever felt like data scientists are just making up words to sound smart? You're in a meeting like, excuse me, what's a hyperparameter? Yeah, same. Welcome to Stop Feeling Lost, Data Science Terms Demystified. Today we're translating the jargon into plain English, no PhD required. Data science is powerful. It helps Netflix know what weird documentary you'll binge next, but the terminology, it can feel like you're trapped in a robot TED Talk. So let's break it down like your favorite teacher in high school, but with fewer pop quizzes. All right, first up, let's get the core ideas out of the way. Data analysis, taking messy, chaotic data and turning it into something useful. Machine learning, teaching computers to learn patterns from data. Deep learning. Machine learning's overachieving cousin. Time for some vocab. Don't worry, this won't be on the SAT. Algorithm, just a fancy word for set of instructions. Feature, a specific piece of data. Model, not the runway kind. This is what we build to make predictions. Still with me? Cool. Let's talk real life. Predictive analytics, like weather forecasts, but for sales trends, recommendation systems. They know you better than your best friend. Fraud detection, your bank's, whoa, did you just spend $500 on inflatable dragons law system? Data science isn't just buzzwords, it's shaping how we live, work, and decide what to watch at 2 a.m. Careers in this space are booming. Think healthcare, finance, sports, even farming. And the best part? You don't have to be a math wizard to get started. You just need curiosity and a bit of caffeine.